blade day. I've been doing a little bit of cutting with the old blade before I took it off. Some test cuts and experiments and stuff. Learning how to cut and which directions before I use the new one. So I had to take off my little nut there, the little guard. The blade came right out. I didn't have to take this off. When I watched other videos online, it showed before I could take the blade off that you had to take off this blade guard. I actually don't even see a way to take it off, but it doesn't need to be done on this model. I was able just to pull the old blade right out. So we're going to get this all cleaned up and empty that gooey tray there. Get this new blade on. Just wanted to show you guys this real quick, because when I looked online, I couldn't find much on it. When you put on your new blade here, there's a little, you see that? There's a little lip. You gotta make sure it's taut all the way up on there and not actually just setting on the nut like this. See? It goes up onto there and fits snug. So, yep, I just wanted to share that, like I said, because when I looked online, I couldn't find much information on it. So hopefully that'll help somebody. First cut with a new blade. Look at that. I'm going to say that that's wood. The sun would cooperate here. There we go. That's better. Yeah. I think that's... I think. Yeah, I think it's wood. It's pretty. Trying to get that one thin, and I made it go a little crooked. But it's alright for an end cut, I guess. I had this to deal with too, so wanted to take that off with minimal loss. And that could still be cut again. Get a nice centerpiece. Or left hole like that. Definitely seeing some banding in there. Looks like wood grain. Alright, let's go to the next. cut number 2. I didn't do a full cut on this one because of the size. I just wanted to just barely, I mean, you can see I just barely took the edge off there, and so I could polish it up. And I'm thinking I see grains in this one too. Maybe everything just looks like wood to me. What do you guys think? I learned a new trick today. I can go inside and look under the microscope and look for cell structures. I learned a thing today. I'm sure a lot of you already knew that, but I'm just learning, so I think it's pretty cool. Could just be some quartzite too. Does kind of look like that, but I'm hoping for wood. Either way, it's really pretty and it's gonna shine really nice. Check this out. As thick as that piece is, you can still see through it. Amazing. Look at that glow. Look at that. Almost as thick as my finger.